Okay. So you are created as a QC28. Okay. You are. Can you retrieve the student? Okay. The student table is in QC28 only, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Fine. Yeah. You can stop sharing, Lohit.
Okay.
Let's go with next Akshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. After Pawan, will able to share the screen.
Within 5 minutes, I will share. I'm on the.
Okay. Your voice is choppy. You're in outside.
I'm on the way, ma'am. Just 2 minutes. I'll go.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, here I created the employee database
Mm-hmm.
and I created the employee details as a table. And in the table, values like employee ID, employee name, and address I gave as valid are 15 characters. And in values, I gave as employee ID, employee name as Smith, and address Mumbai.
Mm-hmm.
I gave two details and show tables.
Mhm.
I just check the table, confirming the table is added or not.
Mm-hmm.
And this much I created. And
Okay. You describe the table name, like whichever the things will be there, right? Okay. Next.
show data.
Extracted. Okay.
Yesterday I created QC20. Today I created employee.
Okay. Nice. Good job, Akshita.
Thank
Thank you. You can stop sharing.
you.
I think anyone else who can. Sanjana?
Yes, ma'am. I will share,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yeah, please. Where are others? Still they have not joined.
Yes, ma'am. My screen is visible, ma'am.
Yes, it's visible. You can go ahead.
No.
Mhm.
So yesterday I created this
Mhm.
UC28 table, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. You showed this is yesterday, right? Execute.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Limit one. The table name trainer. Okay. Nice. Yeah. Good. Okay. Nice.
Right,
So
ma'am.
you're understanding the errors, right? There you
Yes,
have
ma'am. Yes,
done the
ma'am. Actually,
mistakes.
just I tile and
Mhm.
some errors.
Okay. Okay. Nice. Yeah. You can stop. Show me the table.
Ma'am.
I'll give you the assignment for you guys, like to create the table, main table for executions. So right now, you understand the basic concept. Then later you will create it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So right, these are just some basic. We have a conditions also. Okay, where is a primary key and foreign key and all? We have a conditions. I'll tell you the upcoming sessions. Don't worry about that.
Okay, ma'am.
Mm, okay. Can you retrieve the QC28 table?
Yes, ma'am.
And anyone is retrieved the any database here? Any database are you guys used it?
No, ma'am.
Apart from QC28, did you guys check it World, SIS, Sakila, or performance schema, or MySQL, or information schema?
No, ma'am.
Okay, just try it. Okay, just see the table later. Okay, how the
No.
data will be there and all. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you can stop sharing, Sanjana. Thank you.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Okay. Others, I'll just see you the later. Let's go for the today's sessions. It's already late. Okay.
Can I shoot now, or else after that?
Yeah, after that. Just
Sure.
Pawan, let's wait. Let's discuss for the topics today. Today's topic. Once it is done, I'll ask you. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So
Ma'am, is
let's
this the continuation of basic command?
yes, not in the basic commands. So today we are discussing about that. You are created as a table, right? For the
Basically,
table,
I have not attended the class, ma'am. So that's why I'm asking, is it a continuation of today's yesterday's class or what?
yeah, Obviously, we have just done the basic commands executions on the yesterday sessions. Okay, just go through the recorded video. Don't worry about that. Today, I'll just show you that how it will be working. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Yeah. Yes. So I'll show you before going to the new topic. I'll show you in the workbench. Yesterday we have executed in MySQL tool, right? Let's go for the workbench today. Okay, for your understanding. Let me, I can close this. Will you guys able to see my screen, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, MySQL workbench. Let's opening. It takes sometimes 1 or 2 minutes. So you have to click on this local instant MySQL always. So I'm entering the password, enter. So now I have navigated with my SQL workbench. So this will be the empty initially. Okay. So this will be the schema. You have to click on the schema. This you have this databases. Create, done. So how do we create the databases? How do we check the databases? Show
Database
Show
basis
databases.
show
semicolon.
databases, right? So
Yes,
is
ma'am.
it visible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here I told you have to give this and you have to enter it, right? In a command prompt. But for workbench, you have to be used, you should select it. Here, will you see this? Execute the selected portions of the script, everything is there in any selections. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So you have to do execute. So the output will show here. The database, it's showing here. Okay. So what, and also if you directly click on the schema, here also it will be showing as a databases. But to checking on the output, you will get it here. It's here also. Understood? Is it showing?
Yes,
Action
ma'am.
output, show
Yes, ma'am.
databases. How many row, how many databases? 17 databases are there currently in my table. Okay, my databases. So the next query. Now I want to select some databases, or I should create a databases, right? Let me, I can create a database. Create database. What is the database name I can give?
QC
QAC.
28.
QC28 is done. QAC28 I'll give. Okay. 1 minute. Someone is requesting. Is added. Okay. Yeah. Yes. So here I'm getting an error. So what is the error? If you move this, create is not valid at this position. Expected end of semicolon. Understood? Is it already readable? Right? We can able to readable, right?
Ma'am.
What is the error? So you can execute the first command without semicolon, but when you want to execute the next command, if you want to write a next command in the same page, you should give previous line semicolon. You have to end with the command. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So if I'll be selecting this, then you can run the commands, the execution of commands for this. So my create the database has been created, QAC28.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let me, I can again show databases. So is it there, QAC28 now?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood? Is it created successfully, right? So next, use QAC28. You can give at a time also, not an issue. I am selecting, click on this QAC 28, it got selected. So now I want to check the tables. What is the command? Same commands. You should use the same command, show tables. Any tables are there? No,
No.
tables are available, right?
No.
Okay. So I want to create a table. Okay. Create. What is the command we have to use? Table, employee, table name, and then what we have to use?
Employee ID.
EMP ID,
Employee name.
integer.
Name.
We have to specify the data types compulsory. Okay.
So,
EMP name,
varchar.
varchar. I can give
Size.
20. I'll give. Okay. And
100.
salary,
And
salary. Okay. And you can give integer. You can give just integer. You no need to require the size. Okay. Only the var character you have to give the length of the size. Understood? If you want to give the length of the size, you can use var character only. If you specify the var character, either you can enter only digits, only the character, or combination of uppercase and lowercase, and with the digits, everything will be the combination. Okay. And you can also give only digits also. It will accept it if you mentioned as var character. So now I have creating my table. So I selected. Is it created my table now? Successfully it's created here. This
Yes,
one
ma'am.
of the advantage is whatever you are executed the command, the execution action output will get it here. Okay. So now I can check it my show tables. Is it employee tables has been created?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now I want to insert the data. Insert. 1 second. I can move this. Yes. Mm. Insert into what I have to give.
Employee
Okay.
values.
Employee name.
Employee
Leave.
values. Like
Employee ID I can give.
001.
01. 01 I can give. Next.
Name.
Employee name. Ram. And salary I can give 5,000. So, and so if I'll be selecting, if we entering, is it inserted the data? Yes or no?
Yes.
So if you select it again and if you run it again, it is also executed. So I'm just retrieving my data. So how do we retrieve? Select star from employee. Okay. So the table I'm running. So is it showing the duplicate entries? So to avoiding these duplicate entries, we have to learn data integrity concept. Understood? Why you want to go for the data integrity concept? To avoiding, is it any employee databases will be having the duplicate entries? It will consume more memory, right?
Yes.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
we have the structure, each cell, what we have to enter, how many datas we have to enter, and everything will be having in the own structure. Okay, so that structure, if you want to learn before inserting any data, so we have to know about that each and column, how do we assign the data. So for that purposes, we should go and learn for this data integrity concept. Understood, everyone? So basically, the what is data integrity means it is a process of restricting or storing the wrong data or invalid data into the databases inside the table. So this is called as a databases, or we have to checking all the accuracy of an data to avoiding the duplicate and to avoid the more consume the more memory allocations. we should go and learn for this data integrity concept. Clear? So basically, since this will be the RDBMS, this is not a DBMS. Since all the data will be stored in this table format, the data integrity concept will comes under this. It will allow only for this RDBMS softwares. Is that clear, everyone? To insert the table. So each and every column, each and every row and column to add the invalid data, we have to learn. There is a two types of the in the data integrity concept, that is called as one, it is data type and constraints. So we have a two types of in data integrity. So understood, everyone? Data integrity. What is meant by data integrity? The process of restricting or storing the wrong or invalid data in the database table is called as a data integrity. So basically the data integrity will be using RDBMS software to allows the database all the valid data should be inserting into the data tape in the table. So we are using this data integrity. So understood? So we'll be having the two types. One, it is data types and another one is a constraints. Clear, everyone? Shall we move for the data types next?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what does mean by data types? Anybody heard about data types before? In your college days, Java, Python, you guys used it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is meant by database usually?
What type of data we will store?
Yes. So the same way, what type of data will be stored in your programming, right? So here also same. What kind of data? We have to store it in the table. That is called as a data types. Understood? Each and every column or row of the, like it's a cell. So whatever you have row and column in the cell, it's a combination of cell that you have to insert it. So the data types, what are the data types are available? We can learn it. So we have a four types. One, it is character, character. I'm just giving ABC, okay? I already given 1, 2, right? That's a reason. So then var character, can give var character, and the C and the subtypes, the number and date. So these are the four types are available in the data types. Understood? So each and every shell should be have some design, should be have some data should be stored in a cell. So for that purposes, we have to use character, var character, number, and data. You should always insert the data as a valid data. It should avoiding the invalid data to be inserted in the table, consuming the more memory. For that purposes, we have to use these are the data types. Understood? So I'll move for this now. Character data type. So what does mean by character data type? Anybody know this?
It is in the form of string.
Okay, nice. So next, string format. String means what is this?
Alphabets.
Alphabets, name, sentences.
Alphabets I can give A to Z, right? It will accept
Small.
Small a to z.
small A to S. Nice. Any A datas? String means what and all it will accept the characters.
Special characters, ma'am.
Yes, special characters. We can use special characters, any special.
Yes, ma'am.
And what about numbers? Numbers it will accept.
No, ma'am.
Why no? It's a string, right? So whatever you have written inside this string,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
it will be right. So let me, I can give QAC 123 at the rate hash. This I can this can I call it as a string?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So is it acceptable for all those things? Caps, small letter, numbers, special characters. Yes
Yes,
or no?
ma'am. Yes,
When I
ma'am.
called it as a character on this, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So the basically character is a fixed length string. Okay, if any column is assigned with character data type, then that column should accept the these are the values: alphabetical caps, small letters, and the special characters and digits. These are the combinations they'll used in this characters data types. So and basically the character data type syntax called as char of size. Okay, char of size. This was the syntax will be used in our SQL. And also, and this will be in this character the size parameter specify, it will allows this column length. We have a some column length of this character size. What is the character size? We can use up to 255 character. So we have a shell, right, in the combination of shell. One second. Yeah. So we'll be having, this is the table. Can I call it as?
Mm.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So this whatever you have, okay, whatever we have this shell, right? This shell, it will accept only up to 255 character if you assigned as a character data type. Understood?
Yes.
The column length will accept 255, and also the default value will be start from 1. It is not start from 0. Understood? So 1, okay, these are the characters. Okay, so and one more thing, there will be having drawbacks. Okay, drawbacks of in characters. So what is the drawbacks of characters? It will allocate the memory block which are not utilized, will consider as a space. So for example, what does this mean? If I'll give Saujanya space Govinda. Okay. So the character. So it is completely, this is the character length. Whatever you have, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the space, this will also consume the memory. This is the one of the drawbacks. Okay. For this is, it will consider the space also one of the character. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
It will consume the memory. And also, since it is a fixed length allocation, this is also fixed length allocation. Fixed length allocation. So this, that is the reason. So will we go for, what will go for? Will go for the var character database. Since this is the drawbacks, since it will allocate the, it will accept for the space also memory allocations on more to, and also it is a very fixed length of allocations, and it will accept only up to 255 character length in each shell. So that's the reason we have to go for the var character data type. Understood? Shall I explain once again? Character data type. Anyone wants? Anyone wants the what is meant by character and what is the drawbacks of this? Is it understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Shall we move on
Yes.
to the var character?
Okay.
Yeah. So it is also same. Okay. What is mean by var character? If it is any column is assigned with, if any column is assigned with data, this var character data type, then that column should accept letters, numbers, and the special characters in the cell. So and also the size, the what is the syntax we can use? The first point should be the same for var character also. Okay, and but the syntax will use var char of size. Understood? This is the syntax of var character. Already we have used, right, while we are creating. Understood? And this will be maximum length of allocation will accept 0 to, we have to accept 655 35. Okay, what we can, 65,535 character, up to this many letters we can use in the single shell. So if come to the address or anything, we'll be having more than 255 character. Yes or no? Sometimes it will more than 255 character, right? Or some about histories or anything.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So that is the reason, this because of this a fixed length of allocations, right? For this, avoiding this drawbacks, we are going to learn for this var character data type. It is not a fixed, it is up to maximum length will accept 65,535 character we can used in the var character data type. So the next point, so the var character variable length, it will the space, whatever you have a space, it will not accept as a memory allocation. Okay, the var character variable length, it will not, it is a whatever you have the space, that will not accept the memory allocation. This is the main difference for this var character. Understood? So only if it is mentioned as a letter, then only it will accept the letters. Clear? What is the difference between varchar and character? And one more advantage. Okay, what is the advantage of this? Advantage of var character data type. The allocated memory block, which we cannot, it will not accept for this space as a memory allocation, but it is called as a null. Okay, and in it will used in some future, it will call it as a null. I'll tell you what is mean by null. Anybody heard about null? Null we can call it neither zero or
Or
no zero, right?
yes, ma'am.
So, and also this will be the variable length of memory allocation will accept it. So this will be the fixed length of memory allocation. This will be the var character will be variable length of allocations will accept it. And the default variable of this will be the, there is no default size of allocation. Okay, there is no default data type default size of allocation, but this will be the default size of allocation will be 1. Understood? The character and var character.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's take the notes on this first, then we'll go for the number data type. Okay, So let's take heading data integrity. Data integrity. Under that copy, the process of restricting the process of restricting the process of restricting or 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 storing the wrong data storing the wrong data or invalid data invalid data in a database table. The process of restricting or storing the wrong data or invalid data in a database table is called as data integrity. Data integrity. Or another definition. Is it done? The first definitions. If someone asks for another definition, you can tell this one. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So the next line or checking the accuracy or or correctness of the data. Checking for the accuracy or correctness of the data in a table is nothing but data integrity. Is nothing but data integrity. Done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the next line, RDBMS Relational Database Management System. RDBMS software which allows RDBMS software which allows database user to validate the data while inserting data into the table. RDBMS software which allows database user to validate the data while inserting data into the table. While inserting data into the table. Full stop. To provide this validation each and every column in the table to provide this validation each and every column in the table should be assigned with data type and constraints. Should be assigned with data type first one, and second one, constraints. Next heading, data type. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
So under that, copy data type. It is a type of data. It is a type of data which is assigned to each and every column. It is a type of data which is assigned to each and every column, which is assigned to each and every column. Full stop. Types of data types. What are the types of data types? Characters, var character, number, and date. Copy that. All the 4 types of data types. Done? Copy. Shall I repeat once again?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So the next heading, character data type. Heading, character data type. First point, under that, character is a fixed length string. Character is a fixed length string. Fixed length string. Full stop. If a column is assigned with character data type, then that column should accept the following values. The column should accept the following values. Example, you can copy this. A to Z, small letter A to Z, special character 0 to 9. Character is a fixed length string. Full stop. If a column is assigned with character data type, then that column should accept following values: A to Z, special characters, and digits. Next point, syntax. Syntax, care of size. Care of size. In next point, is it done? Shall I continue? Okay. The next point, in character size, in character size parameter, in characters size parameter, in character size parameters, specify the column length, specify the column length, specify the column length, column length from 0 to 255, 0 to 255. In character size parameter, specify the specify the specify the column length from 0 to 255, 0 to 255, and default value is 1, and default value is 1, and default value is 1. Done. Next heading, drawback. Drawback. First point, allocated memory block, allocated memory block which are not utilized, which are not utilized will be considered as a space. Allocated memory block which are not utilized, which are not utilized will be considered as a space, will be considered as a space. So that means I can show you that here. Line. So here, whatever we are returning, right? So here we can T E or yes, okay. And here I have written as a test. So here, whatever here I am not allocating any memory allocation, any letter I am not allowing. So this will be consume the more memory. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So can I call it as this is a space?
Yes, ma'am.
T-E-S-T. Test, right? So I making as a space here. Understood? So this space, if I'm giving any space between the characters or between the letters, that will also consume the memory allocation. Same thing. If I'll give here T-E-S-T. Okay. So whatever you have given the space here, right? TE space ST. So if you given the space also, it will not consume the memory allocation. Okay, it will not consume the more memory. So to avoiding the removing the duplicate memory or unwanted memory, so we are always using the better for var character data type. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear everyone, right? Others? Okay. So the drawback, the first point, allocated memory block which are not utilized will consider as a space. Will consider as a space. Full stop. Second point, character is a character is a fixed length memory allocation. Character is a fixed length memory allocation. Character is a fixed length allocation. Done? Shall I repeat once again?
No.
Okay. So create a table name. Table name is test. And here I can give column A in okay character, and here I'll give as a 4. Okay. Is it created? One column.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Select star from test. Since I have not inserted any data, it should be the empty table. Okay. So what I have to do? Insert. What I have to give here? Insert into table name test
Values.
values or value.
Values.
Okay. So here the column name is A, right? In this, the
Character
character should be on 4.
4.
Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let me again give here TEST. I'm giving it a space.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it inserting?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No.
We have
Why?
given 4.
Because it is a 5.
Just the 5.
Oh,
5 only.
okay. I'm
Space is
giving
also
now 4 now.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
It
ma'am. It will take.
it
it
will
will
take.
take.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So understood?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
it is considering as a space also will be the one of the character length.
Yes, ma'am.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will not accept it because data should be lang. I am assigning only the four letters. I can able to 4 cell. I can able to assign it, right?
Yes,
4
ma'am.
character only should accept it. Select star from text. Understood now how the characters will be assigned? So this will also consume the memory allocation in the server, database server. Because of this, to avoid this, we are going to learn for this var character data type. Understood?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, which is second point also copied for drawback.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Memory
Character is a
allocation.
fixed length memory allocation. Is it done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the next adding var character data type. So var character data type. Var character data type. Under that, copy first point. If a column is assigned with var character data type, if a column is assigned with var character data type, if a column is assigned with var character data type, then 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 that column can accept string. Then that column can accept string. String. In the bracket, you can mention letters, numbers, and special character. Okay? Special characters. I'm repeating once again. If a column is assigned with var character data type, var character data type, varchar data type, that column can accept string. That column can accept string. In the bracket, letters, numbers, and special characters. Letters, numbers, and special characters. And the next point, syntax. Syntax, varchar of size. Syntax, varchar of size. Syntax, varchar of size. Done. The another next point. Size parameters specify. Size parameters specify. The maximum size parameter specify the maximum column length of the character size parameter specify the maximum column length of the character is 0 to 535 65,535. Full stop. Next point, last point, var character data type. Var character data type is a variable length of memory allocation. Is a variable length of memory allocation. Variable length of memory allocation. Done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Next,
ma'am.
advantages. The first point, the allocated memory block, which are not utilized, it will be considered as a null, and hence we can utilize it's in the future. So what does this means? So here right now only it is utilized, right? So in the var character, it will not utilize here. Whatever here we have a this memory allocation, right? The space, it will be used in somewhere else, like some other in the future. They can, like the next character only they can utilize, or next character, this next letter they'll utilize like this. Okay, understood that point? Shall I repeat?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Can you repeat that you told me?
Okay. The allocate, you want the point
Yes, ma'am. No, not last time.
explanations you want?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, for example, I can show you here only. Let me, I can create test 2. Okay. Test 1. And here I can give varchar. Okay. So, is it inserted?
No, ma'am. This one I
Is it
understand.
created, right? The var
I
character is
created.
created. So now I'll insert. Previously, it's there, right?
It's
Shall
there.
I insert it?
Yeah, okay. Now it's two. Yeah.
So why it is 2?
Space is also considered. We have given 4 var character.
Yes, right? So let me, I can give. Yeah. So is this inserted, right?
Yes, it's inside.
Is it showing here?
Yes, ma'am.
So 1 minute. I think it's inserted for test. I can insert with test 1. Okay. Why it is showing? It's showing wrong, right? Because I have used as a test. It is not considered as a test 1. Understood?
Okay, okay.
So here as a test 1. So let me, I can give. I can able to insert the data. So here also we can insert it.
Yes, ma'am.
So it will not a consume memory allocation. It will used in the future. Okay. But here it will be considered as a space also memory allocation. Understood? So
Yes.
I'll tell you that while we are creating the table also. Don't worry about that now. Okay. Just understand the scenarios here. Okay. And the next, okay. Take the point, the second point. Var character is a variable length of memory allocation. Var character is a variable length of memory allocation. Variable length of memory allocation. Done. Var character is a variable memory allocation. And there is no difference here. Okay. The last point, in var character data type, no default size allocation. In var character data type, no default size allocation. No default size allocation. Done?
Yes.
Okay. I think We can stop the sessions here today. Okay, we'll continue on the next sections in the Tuesday. I just is it copied everything, everyone, right? The data types and this character and var character.
Yes, ma'am.
So in the next sessions, we'll continue with the number data types and date data types, and we can move for the constants. Okay, there is in constants also we have a types primary key, unique key, and foreign key and all. So we'll discuss about in the next sessions. Okay, so tomorrow and Monday you don't have a SQL session. Please do the presentation on the same time. Fine. Will you guys do this SQL?
Yes, ma'am.
Till today, whatever we have executed, we have learned it. Everything just practice. And if you have any doubt, you guys can make a note. Okay. So will we continue? We'll resume the SQL session from Tuesday onwards.
Ma'am,
Yes, Manjushri.
for installation, for me, it's coming something error, ma'am.
Okay. You can share your screen, ma. Others clear, right? I'll
Okay.
just stop recording.